Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two powerful cold email platforms, Instantly.ai and Smartlead. Let's get started. Let's start with Instantly.ai. Instantly is designed for scaling cold email campaigns quickly and efficiently. It's all about automation. You can send unlimited emails across multiple accounts while focusing heavily on deliverability. Instantly.ai uses AI to ensure your emails land in the inbox and not the spam folder, which is crucial for businesses looking to massively scale their outreach. It's perfect for teams looking to automate and monitor their campaigns from a user-friendly interface. Now let's talk about SmartLead. SmartLead is also a cold email automation platform, but focuses on hyper-personalization and managing multiple sending accounts across various domains. One of SmartLead's key features is its multi-inbox rotation, which helps keep your email deliverability high while sending emails from multiple sources. It's a great option if you want to avoid domain fatigue and ensure your emails have a better chance of getting opened. SmartLead also provides detailed analytics for tracking campaign performance, making it excellent for more strategic email marketers. So which is actually better? Well, if you're looking for a tool to scale cold email outreach with a focus on automation and deliverability, then Instantly.ai is a great choice. But if your priority is multi-domain sending and keeping your emails personalized and strategic, then SmartLead might be the better option, especially for users who need more control over deliverability from multiple inboxes.